What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making I'm going to be showing you how to make a chair that you can sit in and have your own custom animation in it, so your character doesn't do that weird like forward sit where his legs are completely forward, you know? So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna first okay, so what you're gonna need is your chair model, which right here what I've created is just a union. It's literally just a union of a couple parts together. And I just went over, right clicked, union, make it a whole mesh type thing. So yeah, that's that. And then we got the I got this as a seat with a thumbs up in the front. That's just to show me which side is the front. And yeah, and then I have a rig to animate. So we're gonna first go ahead and just throw the seat right on top by clicking home, move. Just move it right about there, up a little more. I'm gonna just go along the sides, make it look nice. Okay, so yeah, right about there. And if we make sure it's all anchored, let's test the game out. Make sure our character is completely on the chair. As you can see, I'm in the chair. See, it's the weird sit thing you don't want to do. So yeah. So you see the chair is pretty good. It could go forward a little more, so I'm going to push it forward about there, because the middle is where it's going to sit, and we want him to sit on the edge of the chair. Alright, so let's get animating. So if our character's sitting in the chair, let's make him look how we would want him to look. So animation editor, click on him, new animation. I'm literally just going to push him through the ground and pull him up a bit. Okay. Then grab his legs and make him sit forward. But of course I don't want him to sit forward like that, so I'm just gonna rotate it sort of like this, and I don't know, I think I'm just gonna make his legs cross or something. There we go, looks good. As you can see, he's sitting on the chair like that. Yeah, that looks good. His legs should come up a bit. Just a bit. Alright, there we go. Let's try this. Let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead down here, and we're going to hit set animation priority to action and loop it. Actions right here, just go down to set animation priority with the three dots right here, and then click the loop button. Then we go ahead and export it. Let's call it sitting. And of course you have to put a description in it. Okay, and you guys might not be able to use this animation, you might have to make your own, so yeah. Just click this copy button a couple times. It's a secret little copy button. Not too secret though. Then we're going to create an animation inside the seat. This is kind of like my last one, it's going to be almost the same. We're just going to call this to animation, just leave it there. And paste our ID in there. Alright, so now we have that there. We need to essentially code it. We're going to these two need to be grouped or put in a folder, so we call this to seat. And we can add a click detector to the seat, to the whole model. Sorry, add a click detector to the model and just name it to click or something. And then we need to add a script to the model. So name this to sit script. Okay, so I'm gonna do mouse button clicker, no, click detector. Oops, click detector or just click, sorry. Mouse click connect function. And we're gonna get the player from this. Go ahead and go to actually we're just gonna do script.parent.seat colon sit. And we're gonna get the humanoid player's player character dot human. Oh, okay. So this should make our player sit. Essentially, let's check and make sure it works. Always get through your script halfway and make sure it works. This is a good stopping point. And as you can see, we sit in the very edge of the seat. Yeah. So now we can go ahead and add the animation. So we're gonna do local anim equals script.parent.seat.animation. That's what we're gonna do is just copy that. Control X means you're gonna copy and delete it. we're gonna do player.character.humanoid load animation. Remember that's cap sensitive, so you have to do the right capital letters. We'll just do that. Then we're gonna do anim : play, and we're gonna do script.parent.seat.changed connect. Wait, no, the humanoid changed. Sorry. Player.character.humanoid.changed connect function. If player.character.humanoid.sit is not equal to false, then anim : stop. And that's it. So now what else we can do is go into the seat, and we can make it where you is disabled so no one can sit in it. Well, it's not gonna make it where no one can sit in it, but to make it where you can't normally just run over it and sit in it. You have to be manually sat in it. As you can see, you can scoot this back a bit, and also the back of the chair can move forward a bit. So this is why I made it a union and didn't just make it a mesh, so you can easily just separate it. Move all four of these forward, about there, and then just scale this in, and then make another union. Make sure it's anchored. Yep. Okay. Play here. Let's try this out. Looks a wee bit weird, but when you sit in it, looks weird. Okay, you know what? I'm not an animator. I'm pretty good at coding. That's it. I'm not really good at animating, but you get the point. My character looks like he has no torso. I should have just used R15. But the chair could go back a bit just to make it look better. Oh, whoops! I forgot. I had to separate it. Oh, I can't separate it. No. Separate. We could actually just grab this, scale it up just a little bit, and move these two forward. About there. Okay. Let's just try it without doing that, because I don't feel like I have to ununion and reunion. Just get it perfect, then you can union it. As you see, you can't stand on it, and then you sit. Yeah, looks good. But we could make our player look a lot better when he's sitting, so let's just go ahead and do that real quick, because I don't like the animation. So I'm going to go ahead and do plugins, animation editor. I'm going to make it not look like his legs are sneaking through his torso. Make it actually look like he has a torso. Alright, there we go. Just upload this. Upload it as the sitting. Okay, then we can just go ahead and close it out and try it again. Close out the animation editor. Also, why do I have toolbox open? Don't need a toolbox. Unless you want to have like a sitting sound. I'm not sure why you need that, but you could. Alright, that doesn't look any better, but you know what? That's what I got. It looks better than it did before. And there you go, that's how you do it. Now, another thing we can do is move this upwards a bit. Change screen to 1 and remove all the decals from it. So we don't need the decals anymore. And play here, and that's going to make our character hopefully sit correctly, or at least look a little more correct when he sits. And as you can see, it's a little better, not the best. You could do better, obviously, but for me, honestly, that's good for me. I would use that. I'm just gonna move the seat just a little more back, because I like his back to be touching the back of the chair, because that's how I sit. For sure, that's how most people sit. But there you go. That's not far enough, but it's good, you know. Yeah. But remember, get creative. Make it good. You probably have to make your own animation for this, and it's a lot of people won't know, because I'm pretty sure mostly everyone doesn't watch the whole video, because I see people like, it doesn't work, and then it's like, well, I explained how to fix that in the video. Did you watch the video? No. So yeah, that's it. Animation plays, it stops. I'm not sure if there's anything else I should add. And yeah. And I feel like doing something funny. We should make you able to break the chair. Like, I'm trying to think. Maybe like you can have a button, I guess. Nah. I'll just make it if you click the chair you can break it. So wait. Shoot. This not gonna work. I really want to make it where you can break the chair. Let's make it when you get up you break the chair. We're gonna do script for I equals, so we're gonna do script.parent colon get children, and this is also gonna be a variable local children equals for I equals 1 comma hashtag children do. There's probably a better way to do this, like the just probably a better way to do it. Anyways, we're just gonna go children I dot anchored equals false. Alright, let's make this chair break when you sit in it. Well, when you get up, at least. Alright, so we're sitting here having a good day. We sit down, get up. Didn't work. I'm confused what just happened. I spelled anchored wrong? No, I spelled that right. Try again, maybe it was just bad luck. Oh, duh. We'll do, if it is, class name is, not equal to, well, is equal to, part, then, of course, I actually want to do the seat too, so, or, seat, oh, there we go, that should work. There we go, you can break the chair when you get up. Oh, that's hilarious, but you still sit down. Oh, the seat fell through the world, so now you just sit down in place. What's up, sir? Well, that's it for today's video, and I'm gonna make 2 models in it, so I'm gonna just duplicate this. One of them will be the normal model, so just do seat, and one of them will be the non-normal model, the braking. This is the braking seat, and this is the seat. We'll have to go real quick and remove this from it. Alright, so we have both models. We can just group seats. I typed it in. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, cool. And if you didn't, then cool. Yeah, subscribe, you know, what people normally say. I think I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed after I edit this video and upload it.